What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the Dave app. Dave is a digital banking service that offers cash advances, spending accounts, and savings tools to help users manage their finances. With over 10 million users and a valuation of 4 billion, Dave has become a popular alternative to traditional banking services. Now, let's talk about some of its offerings. The Extra Cash account from Dave is a game changer for those who need quick access to funds without the burden of interest or late fees. With this feature, users can receive up to $500 in cash advances in just 5 minutes, making it an ideal solution for unexpected expenses or emergencies. By connecting their bank accounts and transferring funds to a Dave spending account, users can easily manage their finances and bridge financial gaps effortlessly. Dave's Side Hustle feature offers users a wide range of opportunities to earn additional income through surveys and side jobs. With over 1,000 options available, users can find flexible work that suits their skills and schedule. The best part? Earnings are paid out instantly to the Dave spending account, making it convenient to supplement their finances whenever needed. The Dave spending account is designed to help users take control of their money. With features like early direct deposit, users can access their funds sooner. The account also offers a competitive 4% APY, allowing users to earn interest on their balance. Additionally, the Roundup Savings feature automatically rounds up purchases and transfers the difference to a savings account, making it easier to build a financial cushion. Dave's Goals account is a dedicated savings tool that helps users reach their financial objectives. With a high annual percentage yield of 4%, users can watch their savings grow over time. The account allows users to add money at their own pace, making it flexible and convenient. By setting clear financial goals and consistently contributing to the Goals account, users can work towards their dreams and secure their financial future. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Dave charges a subscription fee of $1 per month for its basic services. While this fee is relatively low, it may still be a drawback for users who prefer completely free banking services. When you take an extra cash advance, you can choose to leave an optional tip. However, a portion of this tip goes towards running the extra cash feature. This means that while the advances are interest-free, there are still fees associated with them. The Dave spending account offers features like early direct deposit, roundup savings, and interest earnings. However, it may not have all the features and functionalities of a traditional bank account, such as the ability to write checks or use a physical checkbook. In conclusion, Dave offers a unique set of financial tools and services that can help users manage their money more effectively, earn extra income, and achieve their financial goals. By leveraging its innovative features and user-friendly interface, Dave provides a valuable alternative to traditional banking services, making it an attractive option for those seeking a more flexible and accessible financial experience. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.